To access journal articles available through the library, go to the library website at library.fitchburgstate.edu. In the Falcon search box, type in your search terms and click Search. Once your initial search results load, you'll notice that they include all of the different types of resources available through the library. To get just articles, you'll need to change the search type to articles by clicking on the drop-down menu in the search bar and selecting Articles, and then clicking on the search button. This will limit your search to articles, conference proceedings, reports, and other publications from journals. To see scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, select Peer-Reviewed Journals under Availability from the options on the left. This will limit your resources to only articles that have been published by peer-reviewed journals and publications. Using the publication date and subject options on the left side of the page will let you further refine your results. If you're only interested in articles from the last 5 years, change the From date under the publication date to 2018, which will limit your results to the articles published only in the last 5 years. When you find an article that's relevant to your search, click on the result to see where you can access it. Some results may also have a read online or get PDF option. You can click on these links to bring you directly to the article. You can also click on Available Online to see where you can access the article. By clicking on one of the databases, it'll bring you directly to the article. This will bring up the article inside of the database. At the center of the page, you'll see the article in a PDF or HTML full-text format. Using the navigation pane on the left side of the page, you can access the article's detailed record, navigate through other articles in the same issue of the journal, find other issues of the journal, and view the HTML full text of the article if it's been made available. Using the icons on the right side of the page will allow you to save, email, or print the article. You can also cite and export the resource to a citation manager, or get the permalink for the article to bookmark for later. Using FalconSearch is a simple way to find high-quality journal articles through the library. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask.